Everybody, this is the one, the only Jason Funny, and welcome to another video that you're listening to on the Jason Funny 42 channel. And I just want to wish everybody out there a very Christmas. A very merry Christmas. But I'm serious. Marley, leave me in peace.
Just the tiniest chance of escaping my...
Good. Leave. Leave, Marley. Stop bugging me. It's not, it just, if there's a little bit of chance that I will change. That is Albert Finley's Scrooge. My favorite Christmas movie of all time.
When the bell tolls 3.
Oh, please no.
I'm doomed to wander through
No, come back.
everlasting.
Come back. No.
What has passed between us?
Yes, what is... The ghost of Jacob Marley's next visit is to Andy Cole's house because he is a Grinch and a Scrooge. Where are you, Christmas? I can't find you. Why did you go away? Whoa! I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm fine. I didn't trip. Where are you, Christmas? Why can't I find you? Why have you gone away? I see you, Christmas. You're under this table. Oh, wait a minute. It's just my cat. And this cat too. They don't like my singing. I don't know why.